Welcome to our practical budgeting tutorial, where we'll guide you through the basics of managing your money effectively. 1. Understand your income and expenses. First, take stock of your income sources and monthly expenses. This includes everything from rent and utilities to groceries and entertainment. 2. Set financial goals. Next, set clear financial goals. Ask yourself what you want to achieve, whether it's saving for a rainy day, paying off debt, or planning for a big purchase. 3. Create a budget. Now, it's time to create your budget. Start by listing your monthly income and then subtracting your fixed expenses. Allocate the remaining funds towards savings and discretionary spending. 4. Track your spending. Tracking your spending is crucial. Keep a record of your expenses, either using a spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or even just a pen and paper. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and stay on track with your financial goals. 5. Adjust as needed. Finally, be flexible. Life can throw unexpected expenses your way, so be prepared to adjust your budget as needed. The key is to stay disciplined and keep working towards your financial goals. Thanks for tuning in to our practical budgeting tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more money management tips. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and leave your comments below. Until next time, happy budgeting.